Okay, YouTube, this is our repair for a no bus light on the dashboard for a 2001 Dodge Durango. Basically, we repaired these wires in here for the camshaft sensor and also the temperature sensor right there. These wires were corroded. Well, not corroded, but the insulation came off. I mean, you could just peel it off with your fingers. We made a repair right there because the wires were bare. Next thing we did was we thought it was the PCM, which it was not. Then we still couldn't get the fuel pump to come on, so we started testing these sensors here. Basically, manifold absolute pressure sensor, which is here. They would have 0.5 volts. The mass airflow sensor had 0.5 volts, but the throttle positioning sensor did not have any voltage. So we started disconnecting these connectors, and then we started checking. They have 0.5 volts. The next one that we checked was down here. That one also had 0.5 volts, if you can see it down there. So once we would disconnect those, and then we disconnected these, we checked for voltage, 0.5 volts at the throttle positioning sensor, and it still didn't have any voltage. So the next place where we checked was down here. We got under the passenger side of the engine, and as you can see right there, we tried to make a repair. We replaced the crankshaft positioning sensor. It turned on. It turned on the fuel pump. That's how we got it started. But when we got back from test driving it, it turned off on us after having it on for like about 5 minutes, and then we started wiggling the connector, and then the fuel pump would come on and off. So these wires, we had to make a repair on these wires, and as you can see, it's a one-handed job because you have no space here. And that connector, well, those wires go all the way to the harness over here by the transmission. So you're gonna have, if you repair them, if you have the same symptoms, which the vehicle did not want to turn on, the bus light turned on, and the fuel pump didn't want to come on. We tested the voltage over at the fuel pump. We brought down the tank and took off the connection. There was no power going back there. You'll need a power probe to do these tests, or a test light. But our problem, we fixed it here with these wires and the crankshaft sensor. So hopefully this helps you. Okay. Finally, when we replaced all this, the fuel pump turned on. Okay. Have a nice day. Thanks.